For today's mobility, we're going to be in a kneeling position. I want you to sidestep at a 45-degree angle. We're going to rock back and forth. Start off slow, and you're focusing on the inner groin. And each rep, focus on getting a little bit deeper. Very good. And you want to feel like a nice, decent stretch, but it shouldn't hurt, it shouldn't be painful. So try to stay within your limitations, gradually putting a little bit of pressure by using your body weight for leverage. Getting good groin, hip flexor, adductor stretch. And we're going to hold, do a little bit of spinal rotation. Drop down. This time reach as high as you can. Very good. And reach as high as you can. Now if you can't rotate as much, you can keep your hand braced on your knee and just work on a little bit of a chest opener. Very nice. Reach to the sky and bring it back. And we're going to switch sides. We're going to bring one knee back in. And again, step out at a 45-degree angle so you can kind of rock in a diagonal fashion. So I'm using the leverage of my weight to get a stretch in the groin and hip flexor on my back leg that's planted. And I'm also getting a little bit of a high hamstring stretch in my lead leg. With each repetition, I lean a little bit more weight into it, try to get a nice deep stretch. Again, listen to your body on how deep you could go. Place your palm down, spinal rotation. First one, I start off softly, then I reach for the sky. Now if you're not able to fully reach, stick with that modified hand on the leg approach. Very good. Rotate and open up. Drop down and rotate and reach. Very nice. We're going to bring it back to center in the kneeling position. And on this one, you're going to place your palms in the tabletop and allow your knees to go as wide as you can. Try to keep your feet together. And we're going to lean a little bit forward and sink into our hips. Rock forward and sink into your hips with the goal of allowing your knees to open up naturally as best they can. Very good. Now in every repetition, I'm trying to bring my chest closer to the ground, keep on my knees as wide as they could possibly go. And again, listen to your body. If you can't get as wide as me, it's fine. If you could get wider, by all means, get those legs spread, keep the feet placed together. Let's pull it back in. And I'm going to thread the needle on this one. And we're going to hold. Very good. Focus on your breathing, ear to ground. And we're going to switch sides. Threading the needle, dropping the ear to the ground. And we're hanging out here. Very good. Let's rise up. And we're going to try to put our elbows down in a plank position and take the opportunity to lean your weight a little bit more forward. Pull your body forward to get a little bit more of that inner groin stretch. Now, if this is challenging, you're going to hang out here. You could also regress it by staying on your palms in a high position. And we're going to lean into it. Bring that body forward as much as you can. If you could lay all the way flat, chest to ground, please do. Stay in a relaxed place. If not, you're going to stay in that modified elbow position. And we're going to hang out here. Very good. Focus on your breathing. You want to stay as relaxed as possible. Very good. We're going to push it back in, nice and slow. And we're going to sit all the way on our heels, keeping our arms fully extended, forehead to the ground. And I'm sitting all the way on my heels on this one. Very good. Just a reminder, you want to make sure you're on a soft ground. If you're on tile, definitely get a yoga mat, put some pillows on your knees. Let's bring it back up, guys. Sit all the way nice and tall. Very nice. We're going to rock back up into a squat position, and we're all done for today.